How to stop Snapchat notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now there are two ways that you can use to turn off the Snapchat notifications. So let's go through both of them, starting with the first one. Open up Snapchat. Click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on notifications, and here you will be able to turn off and disable the Snapchat notifications. You can turn some of them off while leaving the others on, or you can disable all of the notifications at once. This is the first way to do it. The second way to do so is to open up your settings, scroll down to apps, then navigate to Snapchat, and here you want to click on notifications from the privacy section, and you will land on this page right here, from which you will also be able to turn some of them off while leaving the others on, or you can disable all of the notifications at once. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off Snapchat notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.